Good morning, children. Here we are going to start your English class. We have done with question answers and we have done with meanings. Understand? And we have done with who said to whom and all. And today we are going to do the exercises of this lesson. Understand? Here are two grammar topics we are going to deal with. In the exercises, we are going to deal with two grammar topics. They are, first we are going to learn about the articles. We are going to learn about the articles. What are articles? In English grammar, we use articles to show whether the thing is singular or plural or about its quality, to which state it belongs. Understand? So, especially these articles are used with nouns. Articles are used with nouns. Okay. You know already I have taught you singulars and plurals, right? So, these articles are of two types. How they are used? Let us come to next point. Articles are two types. One is called indefinite article. Indefinite article. The other is called definite article. We have two types of articles. Articles are of two types. Okay. First type is called definite article and second is called indefinite article. Okay. What are the articles here is the first point. Understand? We use, you remember, I think in your second, third, fourth class you came to know about a, an and the. These three words we use. A, an and the. This a, an and the, when to use with which word your teacher must have told you. But even then, let me teach you in a detailed manner. Okay. So, a and an are called indefinite articles. The is called the definite article. A and an are called indefinite articles, whereas the is called the definite article. Okay. A and an are called indefinite articles, whereas the is called definite article. Okay. First, what we know, articles are one of the topic in grammar. They are used with nouns. Okay. And there are three articles we use in our sentences. They are a, an and the. Understand? These three a, an and the articles are divided into two types. A and one type, the is other type. So, a and an are called, what are the two types of articles? Indefinite articles and definite articles. So, out of these three, a, an and the, a and an are called indefinite articles, whereas the is called definite article. The is called definite article. So, when to, now next question is when to use these articles? With which nouns? So, in English you have vowels and consonants. So, here we are coming to know once again about vowels and consonants. So, What are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These letters are called vowels. Remaining from B to Z. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. So these are 5 in English alphabet. These are 21. Total 26. Out of 26, these 5 A, E, I, O, U. These are indefinite articles. These are vowels, and other letters are called consonants. So next point to talk about this A and only we are dealing now. Okay. So indefinite articles are the topic in grammar which are used with noun. A, and the are the articles we use in our sentences. They are divided into two types: indefinite articles and definite articles. A and an are considered as the indefinite articles, whereas the is the definite article. A or an are the indefinite articles and the is the definite article. And we have nothing to do with this vowels or consonants in case of definite articles. The can be used with any word which can start either with the vowel or with the consonant. Let us forget about it now. Let us talk about this part. Okay. So indefinite article a and an are used with the singular form of verb. Understand? A and an are used with singular. The can be used both with singular or plural. Singular or plural, no matter. So now next point is, here in English we use vowels and consonants. No. So these indefinite articles are used with the singular form. Then how to use this a and an is our point. A, an, and the are the articles. A and an. We are talking about a and an, not this. No. First let us talk about this. Understand? These are indefinite articles. They are used only with singular form nouns. They are used only with the singular form nouns. Now an. First let us take an or a. First, if we complete an, it will be easy for us to know about a. An is used with the words starting with vowel. An is used with the words starting with vowel. If the word begins, first letter of the word, in the spelling of the word, first letter is A-E-I-O-U. Indulo edaina with vowels. And with vowels. An is used with singular noun which begins with vowel. A word can start with A, word can start with E, word can start with I, word can start with O also, and the word can start with U also. Understand? apple. And we singular only, not plural. We are talking about singular. An apple we say. An axe. An ass. An ant. Okay. E. An egg. An elephant. An eagle in that way. An ice. An ice cream. Understand? An umbrella. So in this way, A, E, I, O I did not do, sorry. An orange. An umbrella. So this way we have covered all the words which begin with these all 5 vowels. A with A, an apple we wrote. With E, we wrote an egg. With I wrote an ice cube. With O, an orange. An owl. Okay. And with an egg. I had an apple and a glass of milk for breakfast. I saw an ant crawling on the ground. An ass is an animal again. So in this way, for singular, not an apple but apples. An ass, only asses. An ant, in plural it is ants. We don't say an ants. Okay. Next, an egg. I had an egg. And I bought an egg to make an omelette. An omelette. Oh, again. So, E with E, singular form. Egg, an egg. Single, one egg means you say an egg. Whereas with plural means you say just eggs. Elephant, an elephant. And elephants, simply elephants. You don't add any "an" with it. An ice cube, an ice cream. We don't say ice cream, an ice creams, an ice cubes. We can't say. In plural, we don't use an. An orange, not an orange. This is wrong. Plural, we don't add an. An umbrella, singular. Umbrellas, plural. So in this way, an is used with the words which start with vowels. But even then, we have to take care of one more things while using the words with vowel. Understand? See, when they give, for example, a apple, ya sound. Ya sound వేరే ఉంటుందమ్మా మీకు, ఇంకా ఏ సౌండ్ వేరే ఉంటుంది. ఈ ఏ సౌండ్ వచ్చినప్పుడు మనము యూజ్ చేయమన్నమాట. ఇలాగే with two letters it is very confusion. We have very confusion with 2 letters. O and U. O. Orange. You see my lip movement. Orange. Owl. With O. Whereas I say I have 1 rupee coin. Here you got the sound of O. O. So we have done with A and an. A and. I spoke about an. Okay, when an is used. Now we are going to study about A. A is used with the words with consonant letter. Understand? A is used with the word with consonant letter, like a cow, a glass, a table, etc. Here T, C, understand, such letters are used. So in singular form we can use A with them. Anything you take other than this. And even union, though it is with U, యా సౌండ్ ఇస్తుంది కాబట్టి ఏ యూజ్ చేస్తాము. 1 రూపీ, 1 రూపీ, ఏ 1 రూపీ కాయిన్ అని కూడా అంటాం మనం. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈజ్ వాట్. నెక్స్ట్ ఈజ్ కమింగ్ టు నెక్స్ట్ వన్, ద this is a and we completed mostly. And the next is the definite article. The definite article, we are talking about this the now. In some different situations we use this article the. In first case, the is used with the names, with the things only one in the world. Only in your language I call unique in the world, we can say only one in one of its quality, its type. ఓన్లీ ఒకటే ఉంటుంది, దానిలాగా ఇంకోటి ఏది లేదు వరల్డ్లో. అలాంటి ఎప్పుడు మనము ద యూజ్ చేస్తాం. ద మౌంట్ ఎవరెస్ట్, వరల్డ్లో మొత్తం లోకంలో మౌంట్ ఎవరెస్ట్ అనేది ఓన్లీ వన్ ఈజ్ దేర్, ద మౌంట్ ఎవరెస్ట్. The Mount Everest we say. And the Ganga. The Ganga. The Nile River. Anything of its own kind. We don't have any comparison to it, or we don't, not even comparison. We don't find such a thing any other in the world. It is only one in the whole world. That way we use the with them. Understand? Second, we use the with the names of holy books, religions, understand? Only when with stars also, the sun, the earth, planets names with the you have to use. Star, the sun, understand? So religions, holy books. The Bible is the holy book of the Christians. Quran ani anam. Quran is meeku adugutam manam. Which is the holy book of the Christians? Teacher, Bible under. It is wrong actually. You should say the Bible, the Quran, the Bhagavad Gita, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Vedas, the Upanishads. In this way you have to tell. Or you have to use the with names of holy books plus names of the religions. Names of the religions. He belongs to the Hindu religion. The Muslims celebrate Ramzan. Understand? In this way we have to use with the names of holy books, names of religions also. What? The. Next case is, next when to use. Next, we use the with the consonant word also. I said just now, ఎలా యూజ్ చేయాలని చెప్పాను. A cow, a pencil, with company names. The Samsung, the Hindustan Lever, the All India Radio, the Realme company, the Redmi company. In this way, we use the with the company names, which are only one in the world. We don't have so many branches. We will have, but not ఒక్క ఆయన ద శాంసంగ్ కంపెనీ ఓపెన్ చేస్తే ఇంకొక ఆయన కూడా చెయ్యడు. దాని బ్రాంచెస్ ఉంటాయి అనమాట. అలాంటప్పుడు ద విచ్ స్కూల్ యూ గో, ఐ గో టు సెయింట్ అగస్టిన్ టీచర్, నాట్ సెయింట్ అగస్టిన్. యూ షుడ్ సే ద సెయింట్ అగస్టిన్ స్కూల్ బికాస్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఓన్లీ వన్ ఇన్ దిస్ ఏరియా. Got what I said? And with the names which represent the group. A name or the noun. It can be the name of a thing, animal, or the person, or the thing, anything. Noun that represents the group, means which stands for the whole group. Suppose now I can say a cow is a domestic animal. Why only one cow is domestic animal, children? What about other cows? One cow here represents all the cows. So the cow is a domestic animal. The cow eats grass ani cheptam manam. The cow gives us milk ani cheptam. Understand? The cow is the holy animal for the Hindus. Whatever. It represents the cow. Cow is singular. ఇప్పుడు దాకా మనం ఏమనుకున్నాము, ఏ అండ్ యాన్ చదివినప్పుడు ఏ is used with singular words with consonants. A cow, a bat, a man, etc. కానీ ఇక్కడ the cow, when it is representing the whole group, the dog is a faithful animal. Means each and every dog is faithful. That's why one single thing represents the whole group. You are using the with it. The cat eats mice. All the cats eat mice, no? That's why we cannot say one cat, a cat. We can say A stands for one always. So we don't say a cat, the cat. The cat means it represents the whole group of cats. It represents the whole group of cats. That's why we say the cat eats mice. If you are, this is second case. Third case, when the is used, when you talk about the, when you talk many things about the same person. When you talk about many things about the same person. I saw a man walking along the road. I saw a man, one man. In the beginning I used a. And ఈ మ్యాన్ గురించి నేను ఇంకా చాలా చెప్పబోతున్నాను. అప్పుడు దాన్ని సెకండ్ టైం నుంచి ద మ్యాన్ అని యూజ్ చేయాలి. బికాస్ ఐ ఆమ్ రిప్రజెంటింగ్ ఆర్ ఐ ఆమ్ talking about one single person. Many things about the same person. I am talking so many things about the same person. In that case, I should use the in second sentence onwards. In first sentence, I am using a man. I saw a man walking along the road. The man was హోల్డింగ్ అన్ అంబ్రెలా. ఇలా సెకండ్ టైం కూడా ఆయన గురించి చెప్పేది ఉంటే మనం ద యూజ్ చేస్తాం. ఏ చైర్ ఈజ్ మేడ్ అప్ ఆఫ్ వుడ్. ద చైర్ హ్యాడ్ హ్యాండ్స్, ఆర్మ్స్. సేమ్ చైర్ గురించి మాట్లాడుతున్నాం. వీఆర్ టాకింగ్ అబౌట్ ద సేమ్ చైర్. దట్స్ వై వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ ఇన్ సెకండ్ సెంటెన్స్ ద. Understand? So in this way, in different situations, the is used. And one more thing to tell you is, when we are talking about the superlative degree in grammar, in adjectives we have degrees of comparison. EST form. It would be gundi, biggest, biggest. Here, in this biggest and small, smallest, cold, coldest, large, largest. Understand? In this way we use. Here what we use, when we use this EST forms, when there is no any comparison further. For example, I can say Ravi is a clever boy in my class. Rahul is cleverer than Ravi. ఆయన కన్నా రాహుల్. కానీ మొత్తం క్లాస్లో అందరికన్నా క్లెవర్ ఎవరు ఉంటారో వాళ్ళని వీణా ఇస్ ద క్లెవరెస్ట్ గర్ల్ ఇన్ ద క్లాస్ అని చెప్పేస్తాం. ఇప్పుడు గంగా రివర్. ఇన్ ఇండియా వీ హ్యావ్ సో మెనీ రివర్స్. కృష్ణ, ద తుంగభద్ర, ద కావేరి, ద గోదావరి, ద యమున, ద గంగా. బట్ ఇన్ అమాంగ్ ఆల్ గంగా ఈజ్ ద బిగ్గెస్ట్ రివర్. గంగా కన్నా వేరే ఏ రివర్స్ పెద్దవి లేవు ఇండియాలో. అలాంటి దానికి ఏ కంపారిజన్ లేదు. నెక్స్ట్ అంటే వి యూజ్ సైజ్ గురించి కానీ ఇట్స్ ఫీచర్స్ గురించి. ఇఫ్ దెర్ ఈస్ నో కంపారిజన్ ఫర్దర్ అబౌట్ దిస్ థింగ్, వి యూజ్ ఈఎస్టీ ఫార్మ్. వెన్ we are using EST, we have to use the. We have to use the with it. So in this way, the definite article is used to show the unique feature of anything or person, unique quality, or the thing is only one in nature, or we are using the names of holy books, religions, etc., or we are representing, talking about the same thing repeatedly, or one thing represents the whole group of the same kind. We use the article. Understand? This is what is enough for today, and you are going to get the textbook exercise. You have an exercise on page number, let me show. Page number 22. You are writing this exercise in the textbook, and those who have textbook well and good. For those who do not have, I am sending the photograph of this exercise. Please copy it in notebook and write. And anyways, tomorrow I will give my own exercise for you based on this topic, today's topic. So here I stop, children. Thank you so much.